Hello, this is Shweta. I am fashion designer and pattern making coach. Welcome to my channel Silhouette Sutra. At Silhouette Sutra, we discuss all about fashion, fashion styling, and fashion pattern making. Today, at the fourth episode of Silhouette Sutra, I am going to walk you through the tools of Seamly 2D. As you already know, Seamly 2D is a free pattern making software. In today's episode, we are going to discuss line and curve tool. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see on your screen, this is active Seamly 2D window. I have already drawn a kind of a pattern on this because today we are going to discuss line and curve tool. To make a line or a curve, we need to have points. So we already have some points on our screen. So as you can see on your screen, if you want to join point A3 and A5, we need to have a line for joining A3 and A5 because A3 and A5 points are already exist. If we want to make a new point, the software can draw line automatically, but to distant point, for joining two distant point, we need a line tool. So I'll pick on line tool. I'll click any 2 points and simple line is ready. Next tool is also very simple. It gives a node on two intersecting lines. So for that, first I'll make one more line. Like from here, I am starting. I'll hold down the shift key and I'll press here, whatever the distance is, I don't care. So now I have two lines, A4 and A6, A and A2. If I want the intersection of these 2 points, I'll pick this tool. So first I'll select this line and then I'll select this line. Now one node will appear. See, you can see A7, which is the intersection of these two lines. This is a very simple, these two tools are very simple, self-explanatory actually. So this is it for line tool. For curve tool, I'll extend this line. Again, I am holding down shift. Now I will go on curve tool. I'll select curve and I'll select any two nodes. So now this line has turned into curve tool. What I can do, if I drag this, these control handles come. Now I can modify this curve whatever way I want. If you have ever used vector based softwares, you know how to handle the nodes. You can change the length and angle from here. C1 is the first and the C2 is the second. So we can change the length, like here I can change the length. If I press angle, see, you can see this handle become longer and the curve has changed accordingly. I can change the angle also. If I press 270, see, curve had changed drastically. So hope you understood this. I'll press Command Z to delete this. Now another curve tool is SP line interactive. So yeah, this is again a curve, but we are making it in multiple knots. In first tool we were making a SP line between two nodes. Here we can make a continuous line, like I can select multiple points. So I'll start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and suppose I want to end here, so I'll press enter. Now again this is interactive. I can drag any line, any point. So now, but this tool is this point is controlling this curve also and this curve also. If I change this, so both the curve will change. Hope you understood this. I can drag and pull out the control handle and I can change. But as I change this point, these two curves will change. So whenever you need something to draw kind of a free hand or you want a perfect shape, so you can use these tools. But one thing to remember, if you want to use patterns for multiple measurements, then this tool will not be very helpful because it will not change as per the measurement. So what we can do, I'll tell you. If you want to use it for multiple measurements, I'll tell you what to do. First I'll undo this. Yeah. So now next tool is SP curved fixed. So here, as you can see, there are 4 points. So basically we'll select the 4 points and curve will be drawn automatically. We will not have the liberty to control the handle points. It will come directly. Okay. So you can select any 4 point. I'll do it once again. If I don't have 4 point, I can select 1 point twice and then also curve will come. So that's how you can use this. This is more useful while making simple patterns because it is fixed and it will change according to your measurement also, because we are selecting the points on our pattern and not correcting it manually. Now I'll undo this and we'll move on to next tool, which is fixed SP line. Again, it is the same thing when we select multiple points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I press enter. Basically I press it twice, so this curve has come. So now I don't have control point. The curve is drawn as per the given nodes. Okay. I'll delete it. Now we'll move to next point. But before moving to next point, I need one curve. So my curve has come. I'll just, yeah. So this is my curve. We have already discussed some of the curve tool and line tool. Some of the curve tools are left, but if I discuss this today, video will be too long. So let's discuss those tools in the next video. Bye for now. See you in the next video.